The notion that actually characterizes an automobile is heavily influenced by each individual's preferences and desires. A nice engine, on the other hand, is something that everyone wants to see in their automobiles. Although there is no blueprint for determining what a good automobile should appear or operate like, one thing everyone agrees on is that a good car must have a decent engine. That is always the brand, the essential ingredient. 2021 Honda Accord. The Honda Accord has been a mainstay of the midsize family sedan class for years, thanks to its comfortable cabin, practicality, and sporty driving characteristics. Priced competitively amongst other top-segment rivals, the Accord excels with easy-to-use technology and impressive fuel economy. An available hybrid powertrain provides up to 48 mpg. The Honda Accord is a 5-seater vehicle that comes in 9 trim levels. The most popular style is the hybrid Touring CVT, which starts at $37,455 and comes with a hybrid 2.0 liters i4 engine and front-wheel drive. This Accord is estimated to deliver 44 mpg in the city and 41 mpg on the highway. Overall, the Honda Accord remains one of the best midsize cars on the market. It does many things very well. The Accord prioritizes safety, and several active driver aids are standard on all trims. The Accord tends to do well in crashworthiness tests, too. While it has a quiet ride and a roomy cabin, it's also one of the more fun-to-drive choices in its category. The Accord's agile handling and turbocharged engines put it ahead of most competitors in driver engagement. The available hybrid powertrain gets a remarkable 48 mpg without feeling underpowered. The Accord's cabin is straightforward and user-friendly, with many standard amenities. The value-priced Sport SE trim combines a playful attitude with heated front seats, leather, and remote start. Passenger space and cargo capacity are excellent. 2021 Toyota Venza. The 2021 Venza is Toyota's latest offering in the two-row hybrid crossover segment. The first-generation Venza ended production in 2015 and now returns after a 6-year hiatus. The Venza is an efficient and practical crossover utility vehicle with a focus on comfort and cutting-edge technology. The Toyota Venza presents a dynamic new option for the two-row shopper. The Toyota Venza is a 5-seater vehicle that comes in 3 trim levels. The most popular style is the limited AWD, which starts at $41,215 and comes with a hybrid 2.5 liters i4 engine and all-wheel drive. This Venza is estimated to deliver 40 mpg in the city and 37 mpg on the highway. The Venza is a practical and efficient crossover with an appreciated focus on comfort and technology. It offers the latest in hybrid technology and a sleek modern design inside and out. The all-new Venza appears to be an excellent selection for a young family looking for something that is fuel efficient and dynamic enough to take on a variety of tasks. 2021 Ford F-150. Its full-size alloy body offers over 40 cab, engine, and drivetrain configurations. A 14th generation F-150 debuted for 2021. It's pricier than some rivals, but with class-exclusive options like a full hybrid powertrain, flat reclining seats, and an onboard generator, the F-150 is as capable as it is comfortable. The Ford F-150 is a 5-seater vehicle that comes in 8 trim levels. The most popular style is the XLT Super Crew 5.5 box Ford WD, which starts at $45,850 and comes with a 3.3 liters V6 engine and 4-wheel drive. This F-150 is estimated to deliver 19 mpg in the city and 22 mpg on the highway. With a full-size alloy body and high-strength steel frame, the F-150 is ready to handle hard work. The 6 available engines, including a fuel-efficient hybrid that makes 570 pound-feet of torque, deliver excellent power for towing and hauling duties. Ford constructed the spacious, quiet interior from high-quality materials, and upper trim levels feel downright plush. Highly configurable, strong enough for towing heavy loads, and with many innovative features, the redesigned Ford F-150 continues to be a benchmark for the full-size truck segment. 2021 Toyota RAV4. The Toyota RAV4 helped pioneer the compact SUV segment, and it continues to be a strong seller thanks to a reputation for reliability, ease of operation, and practicality. The RAV4 received a redesign for 2020 with rugged styling. Popular driver safety aids come standard, as do Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The RAV4's engine is powerful, fuel efficient, but louder than rivals. The available hybrid is quieter, quicker, and more eco-friendly. The Toyota RAV4 is a 5-seater vehicle that comes in 11 trim levels. The most popular style is the hybrid XLE AWD, which starts at $31,410 and comes with a hybrid 2.5 liters i4 engine and all-wheel drive. This RAV4 is estimated to deliver 41 mpg in the city and 38 mpg on the highway. The Toyota RAV4 is a comfortable small SUV that has remained popular thanks to its excellent fuel economy, practical interior, and many standard safety technologies. Toyota offers 7 trim levels, including more sporty and luxurious choices and a quiet hybrid. The exterior looks handsome and ready for rugged trails. Still, the TRD off-road trim's upgraded suspension and wheels make it a valid option for light off-road duties. The RAV4 offers a small car's handling and fuel economy with a tall ride height and spacious interior of an SUV. Few rivals can match its blend of attributes. It is an all but required test drive for compact SUV shoppers. 2022 Honda Insight. The elegant Honda Insight helps drivers save money at the gas station, getting up to 52 miles per gallon in mixed driving. The compact hybrid sedan comes with Honda's reputation for build quality and sporty handling. However, the Insight's powertrain still values fuel economy over speed. Inside, the cabin is feature-packed with modern infotainment and safety tech, with plenty of space for a family of 4. The Honda Insight is a 5-seater vehicle that comes in 2 trim levels. The most popular style is the X, which starts at $26,225 and comes with a hybrid 1.5 liters i4 engine and front-wheel drive. This Insight is estimated to deliver 55 mpg in the city and 49 mpg on the highway. With its comfortable cabin, standard safety tech, and low starting price, the Honda Insight is an enticing hybrid car for first-time drivers, commuters, and small families. It lacks the name recognition of the Civic and Accord, but the Insight is a practical choice with a smooth and quiet driving demeanor. Its economical powertrain returns excellent gas mileage, and Honda offers buyers plenty of the brand's beneficial aspects to help them tackle the daily drive with ease. 2021 Toyota Avalon. The Toyota Avalon is a full-size sedan offering tons of space and a relaxing ride. Under its long hood is a powerful V6 engine. The optional hybrid gets up to 43 miles per gallon overall. The massive cabin has the refinement of a luxury car in many user-friendly features. Upper trims have leather interiors and heated rear seats. The Avalon's quiet powertrain and supple suspension help with daily driving, as does a suite of driver safety aids. The Toyota Avalon is a 5-seater vehicle that comes in 8 trim levels. The most popular style is the Hybrid Limited FWD, which starts at $44,425 and comes with a hybrid 2.5 liters i4 engine and front-wheel drive. This Avalon is estimated to deliver 43 mpg in the city and 43 mpg on the highway. The Toyota Avalon is an excellent choice for drivers who want a sedan roomy enough for 4 adults or shoppers wanting a premium car's peace and luxury without the high expense. Toyota's reputation for reliability also makes the Avalon something of a practical alternative to pricier alternatives with shakier credibility. Some rivals have slightly more interior headroom and glitzier tech, and even the Avalon Sport trims aren't that fun to drive. But overall, shoppers looking for a large, quiet sedan that's easy to live with will be hard-pressed to do better than an Avalon. If you enjoyed this video, kindly press the like button. Also, don't forget to subscribe with notifications on, so that you don't miss out on videos like this. Thank you for watching.